Ever feel off for no apparent reason? It might not be just in your head. Scientists are exploring a concept called biological noise, the constant random fluctuations happening inside our cells. Think of it like static on a radio, but for your body. For a long time we thought this was just background chatter, something to ignore. But what if this noise is actually a crucial signal? Introducing a new idea, the neural echo model. This theory suggests that our nervous system doesn't just send signals. It listens to the echoes of this biological noise. It's constantly adjusting and learning from the subtle chaos within us. When this feedback loop gets disrupted, it could be a hidden cause for many chronic health issues that are hard to diagnose. We're just beginning to understand how this intricate dance between order and chaos shapes our well-being. It's a brand new frontier in health research. If you're fascinated by this, dive into the research with us. Thanks for watching.